Hi everyone, it's Don Anton. Today I hope to discuss with you a fascinating lesson, promises. Let's have a look how to make promises. So here we mainly use the pronoun I or we to make promises. I or we to make promises. So as you can see, here we use will or will or want these modal auxiliary verbs plus the verb. This verb should be in simple form. The verb should be in simple form. So let's have a look some common promises that we make and sometimes we break. I will always love you. I will always love you. So this one we mainly make this promise, as well as sometimes we break. I will never forget you. I will never forget you. Next one. I will do anything for you. I will do anything for you. I will come tomorrow. I will come tomorrow. And I won't tell anyone. I won't tell anyone. This won't hurt you. This won't hurt you. So this won't hurt you. It's an instant broken promise. The last one, I won't give up. I won't give up. I hope you could learn something from this short video. Try to make some promises. See you.